In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ShopWired with Mailchimp, two powerful tools for e-commerce and marketing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect these platforms, get your email campaigns running, and save time on manual work. To start, ShopWired is an e-commerce platform that helps you build an online store. It's designed to be user-friendly, with a lot of customization options. Mailchimp, on the other hand, is one of the top email marketing tools out there, known for its ease of use and automation features. So, let's dive into integrating them. First thing you'll need to do is head to your ShopWired dashboard. Look for the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the available integrations and where you can add Mailchimp. The second thing is installing the Mailchimp integration. Once you're in the Apps section, search for Mailchimp in the search bar. You'll see it pop up, and all you need to do is click Install. This will link your ShopWired store to your Mailchimp account. Next, you'll need to connect the two platforms. After installing the Mailchimp app, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you're logging in with the account you want to use for your campaigns. Once connected, you'll be able to sync your ShopWired customer data with Mailchimp, so your customer emails, purchase history, and more are all transferred over. The fourth thing to note is syncing your data. You can choose whether you want to sync all customers or just a specific segment. This will help you target the right audience for your campaigns. For instance, you might want to send a special offer to repeat customers or abandoned cart users. Another thing to consider is setting up your Mailchimp campaigns. Once your data is synced, you can start creating automated email flows, like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and promotional offers. This integration allows you to manage your email marketing directly from Mailchimp while using the data you've synced from ShopWired. The sixth thing is the reporting feature. Once the integration is complete, you'll be able to track the performance of your campaigns directly in Mailchimp, using metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This helps you see how well your emails are performing and allows you to tweak your campaigns for better results. Now, it's not all perfect. Some users find a ShopWired Mailchimp integration can be a bit slow at times, especially if you're syncing a lot of customer data. You might also encounter issues with syncing customer segments, which could lead to incomplete email lists. So, make sure everything looks good after syncing before launching your campaigns. Finally, if you're serious about email marketing and want a more robust solution, you might want to consider a competitor of both ShopWired and Mailchimp. For example, platforms like Shopify with its deeper integration options or alternatives like Klaviyo offer more advanced features that can really optimize your email marketing strategy. Both have free trials and might be better suited if you're looking for stronger e-commerce support and more automation features. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial for Mailchimp, so you can try out all the features without committing. But also, we've included a few great alternatives with free trials that might serve your needs even better, especially if you're focused on boosting your email marketing efficiency. All of these alternatives also offer exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Be sure to check out the first link in the description below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses.